Stop typing text manually. This Android app can scan any document, image or PDF and turn it into editable text in just a few seconds. With Systweak PDF Editor for Android, you can scan document, extract text from images and even convert PDFs into editable text in just a few taps. Let me show you how. First, download Systweak PDF Editor from the Google Play Store and open the app. On the home screen, you'll find several useful PDF editing tools. Tap on OCR text to get started. Now select the language used in your document and tap Next. You'll see three different OCR options. The first option is Scan using camera. Simply point your camera at the document you want to scan. The app automatically captures the document when it is properly aligned. Once the scan is complete, tap Next. Within a few seconds, Systweak PDF Editor processes the image and automatically extracts all the text from the document. You can then copy, edit or use the extracted text whenever you need it. The second option is Import from Gallery. If you already have a photo of a document saved on your phone, choose this option and select the image from your gallery. In just a few seconds, the app analyzes the image and converts all the visible text into editable text. No manual typing required. The third option is Text from PDF. This feature lets you extract text from both scanned PDFs and regular PDF documents. Simply select the PDF file you want to process and within seconds, Systweak PDF Editor converts the document into editable text that you can copy or use as needed. As you can see, whether you are scanning a document with your camera, importing an image or extracting text from a PDF, Systweak PDF Editor makes OCR fast, simple and accurate. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more useful Android apps, software tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.